So to start off, we are going to go into our trunk and then lift up this back cover. And then you're going to have a couple straps, one on each side. And then all we're going to do is take the strap out. Do the same thing on this side. And once it's out, this whole cover is going to lift right out. And then with the cover lifted, our battery is right here. And to remove it, there's one here, and then one right there. So there are a total of 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. Plastic cover, just lift it straight up. And to remove the battery, you're going to start off by removing the negative terminal. So just loosen it up and then just give the terminal a wiggle and keep pulling up. And it'll come right out. Set it aside. And then you want to remove this hose right here. And then the last bolt is right down here, which is holding our battery in place. It's a 10 millimeter. Here's my old battery. Here's the new one. For the XC90, this is the V6 3.2. It takes an H6 battery. And to install the new battery, I'm going to do the steps in the reverse process. I'm going to place the battery into place, connect my 2 terminals, screw down the clamp down there, and then reinstall everything. I really hope this video helped you guys out on how to change your battery on your Volvo vehicle. And if this video did help you guys out, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit the like and share button. And if you want to see more Volvo videos and more tips and tricks on plenty of other vehicles, please make sure to subscribe to Mr. Carman, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.